Whether you're pan frying bacon, beef, or pork, or deep frying potatoes, chicken, or your holiday turkey, there will be leftover fat or used cooking oil to dispose of. Never pour that fat, oil, or grease into a sink, toilet, or storm drain. It creates a buildup that can cause costly backups and overflows in plumbing and sewer systems, and it can pollute our local waterways. To properly dispose of fat left over from pan frying, pour it into a metal container that has a lid, then put the container of cooled fat into your garbage to keep it out of plumbing and local waterways. That cooking oil left over from deep frying should be recycled. First, let the oil cool down, strain out any food particles, and pour the oil into a container. Then, drop off the container at the nearest full-service recycling center. The used cooking oil will be converted into biodiesel fuel. For more information, go to louisvillemsd.org/athome.